Are your 4C locks feeling dry and brittle? Just not holding a lot of moisture like they used to? Sis, I've been there and I've got you. In 2025, it's not just about oil and water. It's about consistency, technique, and using the right products, y'all. Let's get into how I keep my locks nice and soft and moisturized, healthy and hydrated, of course, from the root to the tip. My name is Monica and welcome back to my YouTube channel where we live life the affordable way. If you don't know, if you're new here, I've been locked for literally 5 years. This is where my babies are at. This is where we start. I haven't done a moisture routine in so long, but let's get into it. First product on the list, we're going to need Jamaican black castor oil. My favorite product. If you don't know, Jamaican black castor oil has many benefits. This promotes health, this promotes hair growth, this strengthens hair, this deeply moisturizes your hair, this soothes dry and itchy scalp, this prevents breakage and shedding, this adds a natural shine to your lock. This is also great for your edges, y'all. Great for your edges. Now let me show y'all how I apply this Jamaican black castor oil to my scalp. I always make sure I have it in these kind of bottles, just for easy access, you know. And I always go down the very middle, y'all, when it comes to moisturizing. The middle is essential. So once we get into the middle, then we work our way side to side. It's up to you what side you want to work, but me, we go side to side, y'all. So I'm gonna go row for row, and I take my time and apply this oil to my scalp, y'all. This is how my hair stays lightly moisturized. Once I get in from this row, we go into the next row. And I just apply it as so. And I work my way straight to the back. And the longer your locks get, the harder it may seem, but at the end of the day, everything is just technique, y'all. And then we're gonna go add the rest to the back. Always make sure you get the back of your hair, and then we get the sides of our hair. You don't miss out on it. Get the sides, y'all. And then we get our edges. Now I have a little bit of edge control on my hair from filming a video earlier, so we're just going to push this into our edges, just like that. Push it into our edges. Okay, so we can do our flip back, and then always add to the lock itself, y'all. Just because you moisturize your locks does not mean the lock itself does not need moisture, y'all. I don't like to see a oily root and a dry lock. You know, it's just, I don't like it. I want everything to be nice, sleek, and shiny. That's just my preference. I don't know what your preference is, but that's mine. So once I get this lock, and I feel like it's nicely oiled to my liking, like I love how it's looking now, like you can just see it's getting vibrant, you know. I then go in and rub in that oil. See, oil is already on our hands. Our hands is nice and oily, and I go rub it in. Sides and all. Sides and all. Back and all. This side is nicely oiled. Now we're gonna go in with this side here, and we're gonna give it the same amount of love that we just gave the next side. So, like I say, row for row. Do not skip and just throw a little bit of oil if you're lazy, or like something like me. That's what I used to do when I first get my locks, but I had to stop that. See, I wasn't getting no benefits from it, so don't try shortcut yourself, y'all. So we're just going row for row. Going row for row. Y'all, I love moisturizing my hair. Like, so therapeutic. Make sure we get our edges. Get our edges in the front here. Just because they got a little bit of edge control doesn't mean you don't edge them up. And then we do our flip. Always get the sides. Boom. Like, oh my god, and you rub it in. And just rub it in. So now let's get the shaft of the lock. Make sure it's rubbing. See that? I see on my hand. Rub that in, and I get my shaft of my lock. The lock itself. Just because you're doing the root does not mean the locks does not need love, y'all. Give everything love. Okay. This is dicey oil. Oh, we didn't get the back. Make sure we drag that. Look at that. Just looking vibrant as ever. So once that's done and the two of my sides are done, I normally go in with some oil on my hand. I just rub it in once more, and then I go in with a nice head massage. Y'all, this feels so good. And do not rush this process, y'all. Take your time. Stimulate your roots, stimulate your scalp. Oh my god. Woo! Feel good. Do the necessary things. That feel good. That feel good, y'all. Let me get it back. Gotta get it back. That's done. Our hair is nicely shined and it's moisturized. Like I say, I went in with the Jamaican black castor oil, and I only use the Sunny Isles Jamaican black castor oil. That is responsible for a lot of my hair growth. Now, our secret ingredient. If you've been watching me for a long time, then you know what this is. If you're just finding my channel, this is rosemary water. The benefits of rosemary water is stimulates your hair growth. It reduces a lot of shedding and a lot of thinning. Strengthens your hair strands. Improves shine and overall hair health. Balances overall oil production. Whether your scalp is dry or oily, it balances it all. And it's very natural and lightweight. And I literally boil this and make this myself. If you need a recipe, it's right on my channel. So I go in with this and I basically lock all of that moisture in. And I just do a little spritz. Like, my hair is not going to be super damp because I apply this, but I'm just locking in the moisture. And that is it. I use a mist bottle, y'all. Very essential. And that is literally it and all I do for my locks, and that is all that has been responsible for my growth in the last 4 years. Y'all know the first year was a trial and error year, but 4 years I've been doing this consistent routine, and this has been working. So thank you girls so much for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video on locks. If you're interested in lock content, y'all know I have a whole playlist dedicated to my lock videos. If you ever want to ask me a question on my lives, y'all know I go live every single day and I communicate with my community, so you can always shoot me a question on there. Also, give this video a thumbs up and drop your moisturizing routine. Help the community. Help the community.